हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय व्लॉग। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मेरे व्लॉग में। सो आज का व्लॉग जो रहेगा इट विल बी मोर ऑफ बहुत ही डिटेलिंग है, मतलब 15-20 मिनट आपके कहीं नहीं गए, मैं स्टार्टिंग में ही बता दूँ। और ये बहुत ही डिटेलिंग है। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो एज वी ऑल नो कि ये साल ख़त्म होने आ रहा है 2025। इट्स लाइक सायोनारा, कुछ दिन बचे हैं। एंड जैसे लास्ट मंथ आता है ना, वैसे हम एकदम रिकैप करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं कि हमने क्या बेस्ट किया है, क्या नहीं बेस्ट किया है। ठीक है, सो बिफोर दैट आई जस्ट गिव यू इंट्रो। मैं हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ टॉपिक बताती हूँ, बट आई हैव नेवर गिव एनी इंट्रो अबाउट माई सेल्फ और डिटेलिंग अबाउट मी, वॉट आई डू, लाइक एवरी डिटेलिंग वॉट आई एम डूइंग करेंटली, विच इज़ आई फील आई शुड शेयर और नॉट, बट आई फील लाइक इफ़ विल नॉट टॉक, अगर हम ही बात नहीं करेंगे, हाउ वी कैन कनेक्ट टू ईच अदर. Okay, maybe like my loved person, they are seeing this and maybe they didn't like or maybe they like, I don't know, but I just felt like I just feel like to share. Okay, so I'm just going one on. My name is Sweetie Purohit. I stay in Mumbai and currently I'm a full-time content creator. Okay, to say this line it take a lot of courage for like every day, every second. Okay, uh, it's like full-time content creator, it sounds very easy to say, but even when I still process it if somebody asks me, so what you do? So when I shake hand to anyone, then I say, yes, I'm a full-time content creator. Okay. um, there are, I'm not taking any kind of like cut or this, I'm just continuing. मतलब मैं कुछ cut नहीं ले रही हूँ, I'm just putting everything. It's like lot of spelling mistake, grammatical mistake will happen, so please bear with me. Okay, and if you feel कि कुछ like mistake is done, so let me know in the comments where I can improvise myself. मुंबई में इतनी ठंड नहीं है, बट मतलब फिर भी मुझे फ़ैन तो करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ रही, बट फिर भी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ठीक है ये पहन लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम मुंबईकर्स को यार ये सब पहनने मिलते ही नहीं। बट अभी दोपहर को इतनी ठंडी है कि ये पहन के मुझे बस अच्छा लग रहा है। Okay, so I'll go one on one. Maybe I'll like mix a lot of things at a time, but just I'm also trying to get aligned. I did my MBA. I did my BMS. I did my MBA. Then I worked for like almost like you can say 6. Okay, in that, because I started working little early. Okay, so you can count as like 6, 7 years. Okay, it I feel ki shall I share it everything or like very minimal, but I won't able to control myself. I should say it everything to you, so you guys maybe can relate, like girls can relate, boys can relate with the video whomsoever is watching. So I quit the last year rat race, okay, like corporate world. And it for people you're like, oh, leaving it's very easy. For me it was not. Okay, so last I was working with Radisson, then I quit it last year. So it's reason behind to create this video. What was the 1 year, like what 1 year I have done it, and quitting, is that everything get lala luli, like everything got very fancy or not, or what is happening currently, how was the journey of 1 year overall. So it's a little detailing about everything. When you feel like maybe for others content creation, like, oh, it's worked so well, or maybe it didn't worked well, but I want to tell you the pro and cons both, which I have. First of all, to tell your family like, okay, I want to leave the corporate world, they were like, why? Because you earn a decent amount, good amount, and that churn, they are also habitual. And for them to give answer to their families and relatives, it like pretty difficult, because they have invested so much money, they have done a lot of efforts, and where they feel, oh, now you're settling down. Okay, now you're settling down, but you come up with like, oh, I don't want to do it, and something I want to pursue, passion. Okay, bear with that some noise, because neighbors, obviously, you just for 5-10 minutes. Okay, so shall we wait? It's still continuing. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. So okay, I think we should continue. So let's आंटी बस करो, कितना साफ करोगे? हाँ ठीक है, कर दिया फाइनली. So okay, so where you get like settle and they feel like okay, now she is doing good, now she is doing well, and all of nowhere you just say I want to create a content journey as my passion, I want to quit. And they were like, they were not happy obviously, and they were like, they were not reacting. Okay, so my mom, she was explaining me so well. See, Speedy, this is, I don't think you should do it. You do it with the corporate along, like do 90% your job and 10% the content creation. But I was making other happy. I feel like that journey, I was just making other happy, and I was just like, okay, yes, everyone was happy except me. Okay, so last year I decided I should quit it. It's not because of any influencing, or maybe wow, matlab, they get so well because of content. No, because I was not feeling well. Look, I wasn't feel like, something was exhausting me. Okay, something was very exhausting me every day. So I thought ki yes, let's do this. Let's do content creation, YouTube, um, Instagram, like other content creation proper. While saying also, my throat is getting little heavy because I'm just recollecting those months. Usually I don't get, but those memory, if something clicked, your throat get little heavy. Ah, chill, 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 chill. Okay. Okay. Fine. So then as I left, okay, then January got started. The things got, जो मुझे चाहिए था, I started. I know what schedule I need to make. I need to do yoga. I need to do like clean proper hair, bath, and because क्या होता है, when you do content creation, you just sit, okay, because there is no routine. There is no routine for you to do something. So you have to create your own schedule, okay, every day, like lunch, breakfast. So in maybe next vlog, I'll just show it to you, like almost a year what I have done it, what pro I have done, what cons I have done, where I can improvise, because every day I can't copy someone else. Oh, agar usne kiya, I have to do same copy paste. No, because I feel, I just know one thing about the good part about social media. When they say everyone has a different story, means everyone has a different story and different content. So I can't, if someone is traveling, I can't do a travel vlogger every time, because no, I don't feel to, मतलब मुझे वो डिटेल नहीं बताना है. If someone is into food, so once or twice I can just show it, but every time I can't just show the food vlog, because that's not my niche. So let's come on the topic. So December is something I have quit, and then Jan, I started like, okay, I started making my, like a schedule. I started talking to the people, like positively, very positively. Okay, so they feel, oh wow, very nice. Someone has, like very unknown people has congratulated me so well. Oh, at least आप वो experience कर पाओगे. You are the lucky one. Unknown people praised me a lot more than my known people. Known people, I think they feel, oh shit, you left the job, oh shit, how you're managing, it's not managing, like how you're managing, oh she left, like very negativity they have spread around, so much negativity. So in this process I almost lost my friends, because that connect was not happening. Maybe they have a different approach, maybe they have something, but I, or maybe मैं उस relation को I have not able to make it so well. Okay, maybe I lacked a lot in that friendship, so I lose friendship. The friendship got changed. Okay, जैसे जैसे आप passion follow करते हो, people used to say people will leave, and I was like, are they mad? कोई leave नहीं होता, it's just about you, you should handle. बट बेटा, जब तुम्हारी बारी आती है तब चीज़ें चेंज हो जाती है. यू लूज़ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड यू फील इट्स ओके टू लूज़, बिकॉज तब आपको कोई कंप्लेन नहीं होती, एंड समटाइम दे लीव्स यू, एंड आई फील दैट्स ऑल्सो फाइन, बिकॉज मे बी आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ फॉर देम टू, लाइक कैपेबल इनफ, सो दे लेफ्ट. ओके, let's talk, like this is what I'm just juggling, sorry, around this. I was just checking के हो रहा था या नहीं. So Jan is something, Jan I started, Feb I started, March. So this year, like almost this was happening in January and February. Like आपको कोई और फेस करना है या नहीं करना है, बट योर फ्रेंड्स एंड योर फैम लाइक पीपल लाइक they give you so much negativity and they will tell like, oh shit, you left, this is very bad, you have done it. Or like not indirectly, like not directly they will say, but indirectly they will say you a lot about this. Then the turning point was like I started traveling a lot because I am not a person who are like very travel freak, wow ye explore karna hai wo explore karna hai, no. कोइंसिडेंटली या लाइक जैसे भी, तो मुझे इस साल आई हैव एक्सप्लोर केरला, आई हैव एक्सप्लोर बनारस, आई हैव एक्सप्लोर दिल्ली, आई हैव एक्सप्लोर उत्तराखंड, I have explored हिमाचल, बट आई एम नॉट अ ट्रैवल ब्लॉगर ऑनेस्टली, बट जितना हो सकता है मैंने कैप्चर किया. ओके, सो आई गॉट लॉट ऑफ बंजी जंपिंग आई हैव डन रिवर राफ्टिंग आई हैव डन. फिर त्रियुंद, लाइक त्रियुंद मतलब ऑलमोस्ट वहाँ पे स्टे करना, न्यू एक्सपीरियंस, like too much experience for me at a time. I was like, wow, I have done this. And if you're planning to leave the rat race, please do some saving, because for daily churn also you need some saving, and keep at least good saving for yourself. Be- because now you're very used to with your own money, so even though if you feel like you don't feel like to ask someone, वो level आ जाता है. So keep saving. If you have saving, then only quit your job. I'll just suggest, this is my suggestion, but maybe for other people it can work in a very different way. Okay. So meanwhile, this journey, while I was traveling and coming back, I was doing content. But now let's talk about little pro. This was the pro. Okay, travel part I have done a lot, which and I loved it. And I loved it. Fashion sense जो था और change हो गया, like towards me, because when you meet people, when you see their prospect, you get changed. Okay. This is the one thing was happening during like March, Jan, Feb, March, April. Okay. फिर June, July started. Like that time you do very less traveling. So that time I feel like, oh shit, it's been almost, now the turning point came. It's like, shit, it's almost 6 months, and like what improvise I have done. So Instagram I got somewhere around like 10,000 followers in that between, and I was so happy. I was so happy. I was like, oh, finally something I have done. बट विद इन 15-20 days व्हाट हैपन, वो 10K भी जो है ना वो पीछे चले गए. जैसे 200 फॉलोअर्स कम हो गए. देन आई वाज लाइक, ओ शिट, आई हैव नॉट अचीव्ड एनीथिंग. मतलब मैंने इंस्टाग्राम के लिए अपनी लाइक हैव लेफ्ट द जॉब, एंड आई फील ओ, मतलब एक माइल जो स्टोन स्टार्ट होने वाला था वो भी पीछे चला गया. तो आई वाज लाइक, and I celebrated also. Okay, I did celebrate with my mom, like a family only, and I was like, oh shit. I means I was like little not feeling good. फिर जब followers कम हो गए ना, तो मैं photos देख रही थी पीछे के, like, is it worth to celebrate this now? Next time I'm not celebrating anything, even though I'll get 100 जो भी followers, if I'll get increase, I will not celebrate, because वो कम हो जाते हैं and you get demotivated. देन मतलब चीज़ें इतनी अच्छी नहीं हो रही थी. ट्रैवलिंग इज़ समथिंग बेस्ट थिंग. बंजी जंपिंग आई हैव डन. तो मुझे ना, आई हैव एक्सप्लोर्ड माई सेल्फ सो मच, बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ नंबर इफ़ यू आस्क मी, मैंने कुछ इतना वो लाइक दैट वॉज नॉट too much good. But in terms of, you will ask me कि what improvise I have done, I have lot of things. मतलब अब मेरे पास चीज़ें बोलने के लिए है. पहले सिर्फ मैं कॉर्पोरेट ही कहती थी, बट इफ़ यू आस्क मी समथिंग नाउ, आई हैव एटलीस्ट समथिंग टू से, एंड आई फील सो गुड. I feel very relaxed, like, okay, I have done something. I know I have not earned so much in this year, but when I see my gallery, like, okay, when I see my gallery, I feel like, oh, you have done it something, sweetie. You have done it so well, and you are improving. That's the good thing. In terms of number, maybe not today, but like maybe a year or something, I'll get, मतलब और बेटर हो जाएगा. और आई नो इट सो वेल, लाइक थिंग्स विल थिंग्स विल वर्क फॉर मी. देन सो ये हो गया. फिर देन सो इंस्टाग्राम की यहाँ पे बात करते तो ये हो गया. देन आई थॉट कि मुझे ना यूट्यूब भी स्टार्ट करना चाहिए, तो इन बिटवीन मैं अपलोड्स करते गई. सो आई हैव ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 187, और आई एम जस्ट लिटिल सेंसिटिव एंड आई एम नॉट क्राइंग, ओके, a bit a sensitive खुशी खुशी like emotions. So 161 followers I have now, but I'm very happy that 160 people are watching me. Maybe if anyone can relate with me, or like maybe at least to 160 में से one person is seeing me, that is achievement for me, okay, for at present. So in terms of number, this year was like a stag, or maybe you can say little lesser. But in terms of as a person, I have done it so well. I have done it a great job towards me. And and this month, this November, December, especially November and December, let me just come up with the month wise, maybe in between मैंने कुछ skip कर दिया होगा. So in terms of November and December, I just experienced one thing. We keep complaining, यार वो change नहीं हो रहा है, ये change नहीं हो रहा है, वो change हो गया, ये change हो गया. People change and like everyone is changing. They are this, they are that, and even I do that, okay. But whole year मैंने obviously even I complained to people, or maybe people have complained like to बहुत सारी complain उन मेरी towards होगी, because no one is perfect, right? So I just learned one thing, कि this year my body got so much changes, okay. So my hair growth, if which you can see now, it was very less compared to before. I started getting gray hair, which was not never, and I was like, oh shit. I used to get lot of boils. मतलब सिर्फ ये ईयर में, इससे पहले कभी नहीं. लाइक इफ़ यू विल सी द बॉयल्स, आई स्टार्ट अभी, यू कैन सी हियर, लाइक यहाँ पे बॉयल्स, ओके. एंड बॉयल स्टार्ट हो गए, हेयर चेंज हो गए, लाइक हेयर लाइक ग्रोथ गॉट चेंज. यू स्टॉप कंप्लेनिंग टू एनी वन, मतलब वो चेंजेस मेरे में आए. सो यू चेंज अ लॉट, और हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि the person should be same, like any person should be same. Then I realized, then I explained to myself, see, no one is same, because you are changing, your external beauty is changing, your internal organs are changing. Because मैं अगर बाहर तो अगर 2 वड़ा पाव भी खा लूँ ना, तो मेरा सिस्टम पूरा डुम डुश 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 हो जाता है, ठीक है. तो अगर इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल मेरी ब्यूटी चेंज हो रही है, तो मैं कैसे किसी को बोल सकती हूँ कि यार तू फिक्स रहे, तू एकदम फिक्स रहे, तू जैसा है या वैसा ही रहे, या इन टर्म्स ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, करियर, लाइक एवरीथिंग. सो दिस नवंबर एंड दिसंबर आई लर्न, आई कांट से टू एनीवन टू बी फिक्स. मतलब वो प्यार कम हो सकता है, ज़्यादा हो सकता है, ख़त्म हो सकता है, बट सेम नहीं हो सकता है. दिस आई लर्न दिस ईयर. I just wrote something. Okay, in terms of what I have do currently, okay, because I have a notebook, क्योंकि मैं टॉपिक बहुत ही वैसा वैसा हो जाता है. So I make sure कि मुझे क्या बोलना था. और so now if you ask me currently how I'm getting money, or like how I'm doing better, or like in terms of monetary terms how I'm managing. So I do other freelancing, I do shows, I take tuitions. Through that my daily churn get keep going, चलते रहता है, चलते रहता है. In terms of number, I'm not doing like whoosh, the way I do in my rat race corporate world, but I know things will work for me. Not today, not tomorrow, but maybe kal parso. Like the upcoming year is my year, that I know. The upcoming years are my years. So at present, I'm working with that, and I know things will be better. And I will be very happy if anyone can relate this, or maybe if you have your other plans, or you can guide me how better I can do. If you have any opportunities for me, please let me know. I would love to listen, I would love to hear. We can do a discussion. And any suggestion, any opinions for like in terms of content, in terms of YouTube, how can I do better, or my Instagram ID, that is SHWEETYPUROHIT. That's my Instagram ID. You can go and follow there. You can put your suggestion, or you can see me more there. And that's it. I know it was a very lengthy comparatively, I don't speak this much about me, but I feel before years, and at least you should know, if you're following my 161 followers, should know like to whom they are following and what I am doing. Okay, so that's it. And anything if you want to ask, please let me know. And all the suggestions, opinions are open for me. Bye. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.